Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of Junior 1. Our today's lecture number 1 and SW number 1. Dear students, this is the first math class in 2022 session for you. Okay, now let us start our today's class. Today's topic is writing numbers. Dear students, you know that there are 10 digits in mathematics. Using these 10 digits, we can express any number. The 10 digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now, we'll use the number using the digits. At first 1, you know that we can denote 1 by this symbol. Now, 2, we denote 2 by this symbol, and now 3. For denoting 3, we use this symbol. Now 4. For denoting 4, we use this symbol. 5. This is the symbol of 5. Now 6. This is the symbol of 6. For denoting 7, we use this symbol. And for 8, we use this symbol. 9. Using this symbol, we express 9. Now, we'll write 10. 10 is a 2 digits number. One digit is ones place and another one is tens place. For expressing any other number, we will use this 9 symbol along with 0. Along with 0, using these 9 symbols, we can express any other number. At first, for expressing 10, we will put here, this is ones place and this is tens place. In tens place digit, we will use a smallest significant digit. 0 is a digit, but it is not a significant digit. The smallest significant digit is 1. In tens place, we will write 1. And in ones place, we will write smallest number, smallest digit 0. So, putting 1 in tens place and 0 in ones place, we can express 10. Now, next number of 10 is 11. For expressing 11, we will put 1 in tens place and just we have to change the digit of ones place. Next digit of 0 is 1. So, we will write 1 in ones place. Again, now 12. For expressing 12, we will write 1 in tens place and we have to change the digit of ones place. Here, instead of 1, we will write now 2. 12. Now 13. For expressing 13, we will write 1 in tens place and we will write 3 in tens place. Sorry, we will write 3 in ones place. 14. 1 in tens place and 4 in ones place. Now 15. For expressing 15, we will write 1 in tens place and 5 in ones place. 16, we will write 1 in tens place and 6 in ones place. 17, for expressing 17, we will write 1 in tens place and 7 in ones place. 18, 1 in tens place and 8 in ones place. 19, 1 in tens place and 9 in ones place. Now we have to write 20. There is no other digit. We have digit, all of digit in ones place. So now we have to change the digit of tens place. Instead of 1, now we will write here 2. Now again we will start from 0. For expressing 20, we will write 0 here. For expressing 21, we will write 2 in tens place and 1 in ones place. And similarly, in our next class we will write other number. Okay, dear the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. You have to practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you SW. This is SW number 1 and topic is writing numbers 1 to 20. That means our today's CW is your SW also. Do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.